If you want to send money using Ria Money Transfer, this video is for you. Because honestly, Ria is one of the most popular international money transfer services in the world, and sending money is very simple. First, open the Ria Money Transfer app or visit the Ria website, then sign in to your account or create one. If you're a new user, next select Send Money, choose the country where you want to send the money, and enter the amount. Ria will show you the exchange rate, transfer fees, and how much the recipient will receive. Now add your recipient's details. Depending on the destination, you may be able to send money to a bank account, a mobile wallet, or for cash pickup at a Ria location. Review all the information carefully, especially the recipient details. Then, choose your payment method, such as debit card, bank account, or other available options. Confirm the transfer and complete the payment. Once the transaction is successful, you'll receive a tracking number that allows you to monitor the transfer and check when the money has been delivered. Most transfers are completed quickly, although delivery times can vary depending on the destination country and payout method. So, to summarize, open the Ria app, select Send Money, choose the destination country, add the recipient, enter the amount, review the fees, and confirm the transfer. Because honestly, sending money internationally with Ria only takes a few minutes once your account is set up.